Hi families. I wanted to put together a little video as we're creeping closer and closer towards the end of the marking period to show you how to check your students' assignments and just make sure you're caught up on everything. So here I am at Accelerated Ed. I'm going to click the dots and I'm actually going to use login as our kind of demo student. All right, there's name and password. His name is Blake. Now he's logged in for all the grades. So all you do is find whatever subject you want to look in. So if we look right here, this is arts for kindergarten, Mrs. Jameson. Here it tells his progress. So if I click on this little thing down here that looks like a graph, that is the grades. And as you can see, quiz from lesson 1 is done. Quiz from lesson 2 is done. We did not do the quiz in lesson 3, but quiz in lesson 4 is done, and we still need to do 5 and 6. To get out of that, click menu and go back. If I look at his assignments for language arts, again, here you can see his progress. Click on the graph, and this shows you, here he did the audio practice. He did not do the All About Me yet. He has everything in Module 1 done. He forgot to do the story retell in Module 2. And you can go down and see, here's lots he did. Week 6, Module 6, he needs written work, and he really hasn't done anything since then. If you go into, I think, science, here you can see his progress, go into grades, and as you can see in science, he has 100% of gradable activities completed. He's done 38.9% of the course so far, but that's how much he has completed. And you can see over here, everything is turned in, everything has a green check by it. So I think it would be really beneficial if you could go into your kiddos' accounts and just check and see what's missing. So that way, when we get to the end of the marking period, there's no guesses, no questions. Here you can see his grades for math. And really try to fill in some of those things that aren't done yet, just so we don't have that as a problem. Thanks so much. Please let me know if you have any questions about how to check your students' grades and their assignments that are complete. And again, just log your kiddo in, find their subject that you want to look at, click the little grades thing. This is first grade. Here you can see there's nothing done in first grade math or art. So again, thank you so much, and I look forward to working with your kiddos this week. Bye-bye.